What is the right VPN to use for Facebook monetization, most especially for countries that are not eligible for monetization? Yes, most of you all want to know, most of you all want to bypass this so that you can be able to monetize, most especially when countries are not accepted. And the major countries that are always favored is always US. And you want to make some money out of it. But now let's talk about how this works. So first, let's read what does Facebook say about all this. Now, according to Facebook, I'm just going to read two things that Facebook stated very clearly here. It says terms of service and violation. Facebook's terms of service explicitly prohibit using methods to misrepresent your location. Secondly, unethical and potentially risky, that is bypassing or restriction through unauthorized means can lead to account suspension and termination. And additionally, some VPN service might not be secured and could compromise your privacy. So, why do you want to do that? I understand. Yes, your country is being delayed, being rolled into the eligible countries. Well, if you do this, you might put your channel or your page at risk. We all know that technology cannot be 100%, and some VPN can go bad, go faulty, and expose you, and you lose your account and all your hard works. So, my advice is just wait it out and continue creating content.